Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a JSYES smartwatch to your smartphone. Before you start, make sure your smartwatch is charged and turned on. Check your phone and confirm that Bluetooth is enabled. Also turn on location services because the app may need it to find the watch. Make sure your watch is not already linked to another phone nearby, as that can block the connection. Next, you need to install the correct companion app. On your watch screen or in the settings, look for a QR code. Open your phone camera and scan it. This will take you to the right app for your device. If the QR code is not available, you can search for the app in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store using the name from your user manual. Install the app and open it. Now open the app and go to the device section. This may be labeled as Add Device or shown with a plus icon. The app will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Wait until your JSYES smartwatch appears on the list. Tap on it to begin pairing. A confirmation message will appear on your watch screen. Accept the pairing request to complete the connection. After this, your watch will sync with your phone automatically. Once connected, you can receive notifications, track fitness data, and adjust settings directly from the app. Make sure to keep Bluetooth on for a stable connection. Thanks for watching.